Hi, this is the OnePlus Pad and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first control panel and find somewhere here just icon which you want to remove, or if you want to add here some more icons, new options, or just to change the positions of the icons here, you should click here to these three dots, tap to edit titles. To add them to your panel, to add these invisible options, you should click on just these green pluses on each of the icons. To remove some of them by the same way, click to these minuses on the right upper corner of each of the icons. And to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. To reset all of the changes, click to the three dots, tap to reset, or to save the changes, click just to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.